What is 3D printing? 3D printing, also called additive manufacturing, is a way to make three-dimensional objects from a digital design. Unlike traditional methods that cut or remove material, 3D printing creates objects by adding material layer by layer using materials like plastic. How does it work? First, you design a 3D model using CAD, computer aided design. For our project, we will be using Tinkercad. Once the design is ready, it will then go through the slicing process. Slicing is when the 3D model is divided into thin, flat layers. This is done with a slicing software, which creates a G-code file. The code tells the 3D printer how to move, where to place the material, and how thick each layer should be. You will be slicing your design in a web-based slicer called Kirimoto. After slicing, the file is sent to a 3D printer. The printer reads the instructions and builds the object by adding material layer by layer. And by the way, you do not need a 3D printer to participate in this project. In 3D printing, the material used is called filament, which comes on a roll. The printer pulls the filament from the roll and heats it up until it melts. This melted material is then used to create the object layer by layer. Now that you know a little bit about the 3D printing process, you are ready to move on to the next step. Thanks for watching.